Hey everyone, let's make some rose water together. First step is to get your roses. I was so fortunate this year to have an abundant rose bush. So this is where I picked mine, as you can see in the picture. And always remember when you're plucking the petals to look out for some friends that might be hanging out or living on your flowers. So I brought this little ladybug back outside and we were back into creating. So you take the petals off of all of the flowers, put it in a pot, and once all of those petals are plucked, you pour water, distilled water preferably, over top to cover the petals. Then you simmer it for 30 minutes, 30 to 40 minutes, making sure that all the color is off your rose petals. As you can see, we're good to go here. So we just put this off to the side and allow it to cool completely. Once your rose water is completely cooled, you can strain it into a bowl. I went and grabbed one of my old spray bottles to put that fresh new rose water in. And since I had so many leftovers, I put it in a container and tossed it in the fridge with my spray bottle to refill whenever I'm finished. All right, now for the quality check. Oh yeah, that's good. I hope you enjoyed making rose water with me. Have you made it before? Let me know in the comments.